visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So let's check kung anong nangyayari sa paligid. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. Again, general ito. Okay? So kapag hindi nag-resonate sa inyo, ibig sabihin, the reading is not for you. Diba? And this is also a timeless reading. Ayan. So, whenever you find this video, the message is also meant to find you. So, with the Two of Pentacles and the Two of Cups, number 22. I don't know what's with the, it could be your birthday, could be the favorite number, it could be the anniversary, monthsary, what have you. It could be your age, no? Uh, I feel like pinag-iisipan dito ng tao, am I going to make sagot na ba? Bibigyan ko ba ito ng, ibibigay ko na ba sa kanya yung oo, magiging kami na ba? Kasi it felt like nandun yung emotion, no? Nandun na yung nararamdaman ko yung love. However, medyo natatakot ako. Siguro this is more of fear dahil nga sa mga past traumas, no? Or it could be something that this person experienced firsthand. It may not be them, but sabihin natin immediate family, no? It could be a broken family. It could be something that your person's kind of like fearing to fall in love, no? So, pwede rin ito isa lang yun sa example, pero pwede rin naman itong first hand nga nilang na-experience na they were rejected. So, I don't want to feel rejected again or iniwan ako. Ayokong maulit na iwan ako uli, no? So, with the Four of Pentacles, I think that someone here is, sabihin natin, masyadong tinatago yung emotion, masyadong ayaw ipakita yung nararamdaman, so very reserved. Ang hirap nung ganitong situation dahil with the Four of Pentacles, ang kalaban mo dito, sarili mo di ba? Kasi ang hirap nung meron kang gustong sabihin, meron kang gustong ipakita, meron kang gustong iparamdam, pero mas pinipili mong maging tahimik, mas pinipili mong huwag magsalita, mas pinipili mong sabihin nating kimkimin, no? Itong nararamdaman natin. So, what is happening or what happened, no, from the past is the High Priestess. High Priestess. So, I think it's more of, kasi temperance yun testing the waters. Pero parang ganun kasi, nandito yung Two of Pentacles. So, Two of Pentacles plus High Priestess, may pagka temperance ito. So, I'm going to test the waters. Magpapakita ko ng konti. So, kapag nag-respond, siguro dadagdagan ko. So, there's trials and errors on this relationship. Meron ding mga hulog-hulog ba, paunti-unting bigay, no, ng word, no? Or more of I'm going to do this through action na lang instead of saying a thing. So, parang sinasabi niya bahala na kung ano ba ang kutob, no, nitong person ko. So, parang gusto kong ipahayag yung damdamin ko, pero I will let you think of what that is because I'm not going to say it with the Four of Cups. Ah, parang ayaw mo yata, no? Ayoko nung ganito kasi parang you're giving me an assumption, sorry. You're giving me an assumption um or nilalagay mo ko sa isang sitwasyon na kailangan ko mag-assume. Hindi ako yung tao kasi na ma-assume. Siguro you also have an experience kasi baka mapahiya ako. Baka hindi naman yun yung totoong nararamdaman nitong person na ito. Nag-a-assume lang ako, no? O baka mamaya illusion, delusion, pangarap, no? Or, baka pagkamalan akong may kulang-kulang, no? With the moon card, I think that this person is giving, yeah, that is this person's parang anong tawag doon? Strategy, no? More into action. Ah, wala naman siguro may denial konti, pero 'pag tinatanong more of ayokong sabihin, ayokong umamin, pero ayoko ring i-deny, no? So, parang I really keep you hanging. Mas ma-aano ito, mako-confirm natin 'pag lumabas talaga dito yung The Hanged Man. Pero habang tumatagal kasi you're you're seeing more of a question rather than dun sa answer. Mas nafi-feel mo parang mas marami akong nagiging tanong habang tumatagal, ano? With the Ten of Swords and the Seven of Wands. So, ang nangyayari dito, sinasabi mo sa sarili mo, the Ten of Swords and the Seven of Wands, ang ginagawa mo naman ditong strategy is nilalayo mo yung sarili mo. Siguro you're stepping back a bit para at least mag-move ng konti si person towards you, mas lalo siyang magkaroon ng, um, kumbaga mas lalo niyang ipakita, no, yung kanyang damdamin, mas lalo niyang ipahayag kung ano yung totoo niyang nararamdaman. So, because there's something here you truly wanted to know. Seven of Wands. So, this is really a strategy, no? With the Queen of Swords, medyo inis na tayo, medyo naiimbierna na tayo dahil parang nagiging puzzle, no, itong relationship na ito. Kung kayo naman na nitong person, it felt like binibigyan kanya ng mga ano, dagdag isipin. Feeling mo tuloy, is this being baka pinagseselos ka rin kaya ka naiinis? Meron ditong push and pull, no? May tug of war na nangyayari dito. Siguro ang gusto naman ni person, siguro wala pa naman lahat ng cards, no? Siguro gusto ni person is more of ikaw yung maunang umamin, then sisegundahan niya. Ikaw naman parang gusto mo aminin mo na yung nararamdaman mo kasi gusto rin naman kita. So parang ganun din sisegundahan ko, no? With the King of Cups, that makes sense. Siguro medyo tatagal itong relationship na ito ng nakahang. Kasi with the King of Cups, more of I'm really into action. You won't, parang feeling ko, I don't know, may problema ba ito sa pagsasalita? Katulad ko, may lisp ako eh, no? Yung S ko, parang kay Coco Martin, no? So, or baka bulol, or ano ba? There, is there a deficiency with this person's, or defect when it comes to communication, or hindi lang talaga siya nagsasalita when it comes to their feelings. With the Seven of Cups, so, wow, Seven of Cups. Your fear here is for this person to actually, yung dumami kayo. Siguro that's one of the fear. Dumami kayo na nakapaligid sa kanya, and then mahihirapan siya pumili or ikaw may dumami sila, then mahihirapan kang pumili. So somewhat, meron ng certainty about the emotion, no? Um, Naiinip, no? Gusto ko nang maging kami. With the Six of Pentacles, buti naman, Six of Pentacles lumabas. That makes sense, kaya hindi lumabas yung The Hangman. Six of Pentacles, dadating din naman yung time na mag yung wavelength, yung emotional quotient nyo, I think that your person needs to grow their emotional quotient, and I feel like mangyayari naman yun kasi with the Six of Pentacles, no? Parang transaction yan eh. Kung ano yung binigay, yun yung ma-achieve. I feel like itong person na ito, inaantay din yung move mo, inaantay yung, magpaparamdam ka, aamin ka, yun nga, isisigundahan. I think that your person here have some trust issues, no, with people. Uh, I don't know what truly happened from this person's past, but there must be something in here with the moon card that happened before, that happened from the back, kind of reminding them at the back of their mind that needs to either outgrow, hindi naman remove. Kasi pag ni-remove mo yun, a certain part will kalimutan, no, kalimutan niya. No, I feel like you will be the person who's gonna help this person to grow emotionally. No, kasi gusto ka rin naman niya. Yeah, so this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of the person. Pero bago po yan, kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. If you have some questions with the reading, then there is a link sa description box. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. By the way, the zodiac sign, I'm seeing Gemini, Pisces, I'm seeing Taurus, I'm seeing Scorpio, Leo, Libra, Cancer, seeing Virgo, Capricorn. Cancer is very dominant, and Taurus is very dominant. Capricorn. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.